Now I'm gonna explain a little bit about how to transform your brand into the type system. Most probably you have something like this, like some colors and then some type that was either designed by you or by your brand designer. It's not going to be as extended as we have in the design system, but we are going to just place it wherever it will kind of make more sense to be. So in this case, we have uh, this large, medium, and small that is basically the same font, just goes into different scales. And then we have this italic one, so we can send it as a secondary one, which this can go for the title 1 and this can go for the title 2. And the rest we will just like put them in the scales. So title 1 will be this one, and then here will just be the same settings just with different sizes. And then for title 2 we will add this one that we have here, and the same again, like with the same sizes. In this case that we don't have like actually like title 3 or title 4 to fill with, we can just simply repeat for title 3 this one and for title 4 this one. What you can do also to have like more versatility is just to have this one perhaps in the, if this one is regular, to add it in bold. If this one is as well like regular italic, maybe to have it in bold italic. Depends if it works for your brand, or if you have another font that actually can make very good combination with these two, then you can as well like add it here in the title 3 and 4. This is just like to know how to fill in the gaps whenever you're like creating a custom style, or when you are just like replacing the fonts that are in here. After that we have like paragraph and description, which can be like body or called any other different way. We will just replace it in paragraph. And description, if you actually don't have this one, I recommend you to just use the same font just in a different size for description, and that will make it. For Meta 1 and Meta 2, sometimes they were used as heading 3. Like if you actually see, there are like a small font sizes. So it can go as an overline, or it can go as subtitle, or you can just actually repeat them. So you can have this one as subtitle 1 and overline 1, and this one as subtitle 2 and overline 2. In this case, we can see that one is serif, one is serif, and one is sans serif. So they will work well both as an overlining a title or as being a subtitle. After that, we will have navigation, which is this one section here, and then the call to action that we can just add the same one for primary and secondary. For caption, again, it's just used for very small places. It's not really used across the site that much. You can just use the, whenever like you have like sections that you don't know how to fill, you can just use the one that you have as title 1, or that you have in paragraph, that is like the basic main ones, and just to replace the ones that you have in here, just like leaving the size that it has and just replacing it in here with the new font that you are gonna apply.